In this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your web pages, and I'm going to use the IT Bandwagon website as an example. I've got a test page set up on the site. You can see it ends in test, and it's got one paragraph of Latin on there to use as an example. Above this line is all template, and so is below, so the bit you get to edit is this bit in the middle. So to get started, you go to your admin section. And I'll start from the home screen so you can navigate your way there the same as I do. You go to website, and when that comes up you choose the web page that you want to edit. In this case we're going to be editing the test page. Select that. Now when it opens up you'll see that there's what we've got, our field to edit. So there's my one paragraph of Latin. So first of all, I'll simply copy and paste that so there's a second paragraph, just so you can see how this works in its simplest form. So whenever you make a change here, you need to update it at the bottom to make those changes work on your live site. So now click on the live site and refresh that screen, and you can see there's the second paragraph. So go back here. Now you might want to make a link to something, maybe to an external URL. So I'll take the first two words, I'll highlight them, use this hyperlink manager. Now if you want to link to an external URL like your Facebook page or someone else's website, you simply go to that URL, copy and paste, copy and then paste that into this field here. And if you're choosing an external URL like I have, then the target needs to be new window, which means the link will open up into a new window, leaving your website also open so the person doesn't get lost. So we click OK, and down the bottom click Update, and we'll refresh the live site. And when that refreshes, you'll see the first two words are now a hot link. Click on them, and our site's still open, but it's opened the URL that I pasted in there. In this case was the Facebook page. So let's do some other editing. You might also want to link to, again the first two words are highlighted, link to somewhere else in your website. So if you're wanting not an external URL but somewhere within one of your own assets, click on the box to the right hand side and you can choose any one of your web pages. Then it might be a password protected, so I'll go into this one instead, Online Business Solutions. I'm going to select that, again into a new window, click OK, update that, refresh my live screen to see those changes. And they haven't taken place. Let's refresh that again. And I have updated. I'll just update that again just to make sure. And so there you go. It's a page of my own site. You can actually link to any one of your assets. Let's highlight the bottom few words. Again, back to the hyperlink manager, and then click on that square, and you'll see that you can link to a literature item if you wanted to, a forum, an announcement. So any one of your assets you can use this hyperlink manager to link to. Now to add images, you put the cursor where you want the image to appear, and then click on the image manager, and then you've got some choices. You can choose to link to an image that's already on your system, or you can upload one. So I'm going to show you how to upload an image that you might have on your desktop, and So click on the upload button, and the first thing you needed to take into mind is where you're going to have that image sitting on your system. So you want to keep a good file system. So choose a folder. I'll choose image products, where you want this to sit. And now I'm going to select an image that's on my desktop. Let's go here. And I might choose this one called Weddings. I'm going to click the open button. Now I know where it's going to be sitting on the system. It's in the products folder. I'm going to upload that. I think this one's quite a big file, so it might take a little time to upload. Now that's happened. There it is there, it's the Weddings one. So now to insert it into the page, I'm going to click on it. And I can see that's 1754 pixels by 1240 pixels, so that's quite a huge image. And my page has only got about 800 pixels in the width. So if I want to change the size of that, and I do, I'm going to click on resize. I'm going to constrain the proportions and overwrite the file with the same name. And I might want the width of that to be only 300, so I'll change that to 300 and I'll save. And now we can see if I click on Weddings that it's only 300 wide, so that's great. So I'll insert that, and you can see that it's in the top left hand corner, but the text is running down below, and I'd rather have that text up here to the right of it. So I'm going to right click on this image now, and I'm going to add some styling. The first thing I'm going to do is choose the image alignment to the left hand side like that, and I'm going to have a bit of a margin between the image and the text on the right. That needs to be about 10 pixels wide, and I'm going to put some alt text in here, which is great for Google search, and I'll just put Weddings. And you'll see now that text is to the right, and if I click update and now go and refresh my test page, you'll see that the image is on the page and nicely aligned to the left with the text to the right. Hope that's useful. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact.